the roofing industry has witnessed significant advancements in technology, resulting in improved efficiency and accuracy. One such innovation is the corrugated and trapezoidal roof roll forming machine. This specialized equipment plays a crucial role in manufacturing roofing profiles with precision and consistency. Roof roll forming is a continuous process that transforms flat metal sheets into various roofing profiles, such as corrugated and trapezoidal shapes. The roll forming machine consists of multiple stations, each contributing to shaping and forming the metal sheet progressively. The key to achieving accurate roof profiles lies in the precision of these stations. The corrugated and trapezoidal roof roll forming machine has revolutionized the production of accurate roof profiles. Through a combination of advanced design, precise tooling, synchronized forming, and quality control measures, this specialized equipment ensures consistent and reliable results. As the roofing industry continues to evolve, the roll forming machine remains a cornerstone of efficiency, accuracy, and productivity.